Hello and good morning. This is Vlogmas Day 17. This is the third time I tried to record this. Not sure what is going on with my camera, but it wasn't actually recording any of the other times. I'm hoping this is working now. Anywho, it is laundry day, hence the noise you're going to hear throughout the day in this video. I wouldn't be able to record anything if I waited for the noise to be gone, because this is going to go on all day. Anywho, it is Sunday today. My day is free, completely free, no commitments, nothing to do except be down here and get some stuff done. So I've got 3 things on my to-do list today. I've got to hem those royal blue pants. I did the green ones last night. Now I need to get the blue ones done. I need to get the t-shirt done for my sister and then apply the vinyl onto it. And then I want to get started on my final version of my Christmas Eve top, because that would mean my Christmas Eve outfit is completely done. And let's face it, Christmas Eve is now a week away, so I need to get that done. All right, but first, Advent calendars. Now, Beyond the Pink Door yesterday had a tutorial by Andrea on how to make fabric flowers, which was really, really good. So many great tutorials in the Advent calendar. There just isn't enough time in the day to try them all, but yeah. So I've already opened the box because, like I said, I've tried to film this 3 times now. But here's gift number 17. And let's see. Skinny black pins for fine fabric. Oh, that's amazing, because I love sewing with rayon or viscose. And these will be great. Now, how do I open this thing? Oh, just slide. Okay, well, where's that pin magnet? Because now a couple fell out. There you go. Black pins. How cool is that? All right. So that's Beyond the Pink Door. Now let's see what is in the Prim calendar. Door number 17 is right here. Well, it's a pin kind of day. There you go, little yellow flowers. That's all good. We always need pins. All right. So I'm going to get started with all of that sewing, starting with those blue pants. And I will check in with you all later. Bye for now. Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 18. Now, I'm sorry if I never finished or put up yesterday's vlog, but I got carried away working on my Christmas Eve top, which I can't show you. And really nothing else happened. And then I went to bed early, so figured I'll just join 17 and 18 together and put one video for both days. So it is, my chair is rolling. So it is Monday. I am on vacation, so no work today. I am going to work on my sister's t-shirt and then my Christmas Day top. And I can show that to you. So you can follow along while I do that. And what else? Yeah, we will see what the day brings. But it is almost, 11 o'clock. So I've had a very late morning. Well, I got up at 8, which is late for me because I'm usually up by 6 or 6:30. My body must have needed the rest. So I'm not sorry. I slept in today and had a very slow start to the day. I had my shower, dried my hair, and all of that good stuff. And now I'm ready to get to sewing. The virtual gift from Beyond the Pink Door today is a really fun tutorial by Andrea on how to make smocking or smocked pillows or bags or whatever. It's really, really cool. If you like hand sewing and handwork, yes, very, very cool. And then for day 18 on the Prim calendar, let's see, oh, it's over here. Oh, looks like it's a two-part. Oh. So some kind of marker, similar to the Hera marker that I have, but this one is so pretty. Look, it's got polka dots. Very cool. I love that I'm going to have a spare of basically everything once the advent calendars are all done. And then we also have sunflower seeds. Oh, very cool. Nice. So I can plant those in the front yard or maybe at the island house. Very cool. Love that. Okay, so yeah, I'm very pleased with my Christmas Eve top, and I cannot wait to reveal that probably on Boxing Day. Yeah, so the video is going to come out on Boxing Day. I'm very, very pleased with the fit. I love the fabric. I'll do a bit of a pattern review for you in that video as well, because it was my first time using that pattern. Very, very good. Okay, so I'm now going to get started with my sister's t-shirt, which should not take long. I've done that pattern before. I'm using the Love Notions Classic Tee. Yeah, and that just comes together like no problem. Most of it's going to be done on the serger, so that's all good. And then the same thing for my Christmas Day top. I'm making the Itch to Stitch Bella Vista top in that super fun crushed velvet. So if all goes well, if the crushed velvet doesn't give me fits or anything, then I'll have both done today and I can show you that. So I'm going to go and get started, and I will see you in a bit. All right, well, it is a few hours later. What time is it now? It is a little past 2, so 3 hours. I've had lunch. I've done a couple of things upstairs, and I've cut 3 garments out. So I've got my sister's classic tee in a gray knit. I've got my Bella Vista top in the fun crushed velvet, and I had enough of that gray knit fabric left over to cut myself a new Concord tee, which is going to be a great layer for winter, and then I can wear it into spring. So I've used every centimeter of this gray fabric. So now I can sit down at the sewing machine and get these 3 garments done. I'll probably start with my sister's classic tee and then do the Concord real quick, just because that means no thread changes. And then do the Bella Vista. It's 2 o'clock. How much of this do you think I can get done before dinner? Let's see. All right, it is 3:30. So an hour and 20 minutes later, with a few interruptions, but my sister's t-shirt is done. I put a cute label in it. And now all I'll need to do is put the heat transfer vinyl on the front. Now I'm ready to move on to t-shirt number 2, which is my Concord. But before I do that, small break. All right, it is 5 o'clock, and we have a Concord in that gray knit, all finished. I put a little label, sewn like a boss. So that is 2 down, and my Bella Vista left to go, but I think I need a break. I think I need to think about what we're going to have for dinner and then go eat and clean up. And there's a hockey game tonight. So top number 3 is going to be done after dinner, and I will see you then. See you in a bit. Hello. Well, it is after dinner. It is around 8:20. So I'm down here. Hubby just went to bed, and I'm going to try to see if I can make my Bella Vista top before needing to edit this and upload and go to bed. So, all right, I'll come back hopefully when it's done. Me again. It is 9:51 and it is done, and it is fabulous. Look how nice this is. I made the like wide sleeves, like bell sleeves. Nice huge cowl neck, which I love. I put my little party outfit label, and yeah, I love it. This is gonna be so nice and soft and snuggly. So happy. So that's it. My Christmas Day outfit is done. My Christmas Eve outfit is done. I have one more gift made, so that t-shirt for my sister. And I have a bonus Concord tee. So very productive day. I'm so pleased with myself. So now tomorrow is gonna be, I think tomorrow I need to start wrapping presents, because this room and the little storage area off this room, like, it's full of stuff that needs to get wrapped. I probably need to go to the dollar store or something and get a few gift bags or boxes that I can use for wrapping some of this stuff. I wish I had time to make fabric bags, but I just don't. I just don't have time. Next year, maybe I'll start earlier. All right, so, oh, I need to show you. He's been there all night. Just hanging out while I sew. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here so that I can edit and publish this video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 19. See you then.